Hi guys, almost done. This Fractal Micro ATX case. This case just amazing, seriously. So it has a really nice airflow. It has magnetic here. It has some storage, which is pretty cool, and you can build really cheap PC with this budget, and it will look just great. Look at this. It's not ready yet, but you can see from here, from this part, I already like it. Yeah, this Fractal amazing, and this is a $1,300 build with a 3060 Ryzen 5600X, 16 GB of RAM, Kingston, and we have a 5 fans here and this nice cooling. Also, you can see I put on this Deepcool CPU cooler this sticker, and it looks just great. Just like that.